Everybody knows that if you suffer from arthritis, there's no known cure. You just have to learn to live with the pain and suffering, right? Wrong. Arthritis is caused by the deterioration of the cartilage located at the ends of and between your bones, which can become worn down by such things as age and overuse. And once this cartilage is gone, it can never be replaced. But that doesn't mean that you have to learn to live with the resulting pain and irritation. Arthritis pain only occurs when the affected joints become inflamed. Our medical staff can help prevent inflammation from occurring in the first place. Plus, you can improve your range of motion, flexibility, and endurance. It can even help you increase your muscle tone and strength. Click the banner on your screen or call the number above right now to schedule your free consultation.